Tyler, what are we here to do, man?
Close some deals.
Who are we meeting with?
Gladwin Machinery. Got a nice meeting here at 10 o'clock. Got a few more appointments throughout the day. Gonna cruise on down to A&A Magnetics, Woodstock, Illinois. Gonna close a FlexArm deal today.
Woo! How early we going, Brandon?
How early we going? We leaving at 5 a.m. I am the taxi. This is the P.O. Getta.
P.O. Getta. No, when I was 16 years old, my old man threw me them car keys and said, "Now, son, as long as you keep between the mustard and the mayonnaise, everything's gonna be all right." Just kidding. He never told me that.
We're doing some sales calls today. I know it's kind of scary watching Tyler drive.
Tyler's driving. Mr. Kennedy's got 3 shots of espresso in his coffee.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day out there.
Here we
What's
go.
up?
Hey, Brandon, what do you have
Look
to
at
say?
him.
This is the
This
last 30
run
seconds
right
of your
here.
life.
This thing needs 4,000 feet. We have 2,500. This is it. Tyler, say goodbye.
Say your good riddance.
Hey, wish me luck, guys. Hope to see you on the other side.
And
So we made it.
hardly. Don't ask him, hardly.
That big bird had trouble getting off the ground.
Not that bird.
Oh, never mind.
Follow us on the parking lot. That's ours.
Hey guys, just finished 2 days of sales calls. We were in Illinois, Wisconsin, on the road 2 days in a row, just hopping around, seeing a bunch of distributors, seeing a bunch of customers on the FlexCNC. Day 2 on our way back home.
Yeah, especially a big shout out to Gladwin, another dealer, another successful setup. So as we continue to move our way west, just want to say thanks to those guys and look forward to working with you soon.
Talk soon, thanks guys.